Hi folks, yeah, once again, welcome to Khatri Think class, and this is the session about Android OS full and final version. All right, so the topic for today is to download the tool for designing or developing an Android app. And about the session, it is all related to developing an Android app, and overall we'll deal all the important topics or concepts that is related to make a standard Android app. Alright, so let's download the tool to design the and develop the app. Alright, so for that, the recommended or most used, or you can say the official tool for Android OS is Android Studio. And most importantly, today I am going to download in Linux, okay, and all its derivatives. So you guys can, if you guys are using Linux or any kind of its derivatives, then you guys can follow me and install Android Studio. So let's begin. Okay, so go to the official site of Android developers, that is called developers.android.com. So when you go there, okay, let me open it. Yes, so in the developer section, that is develop section, you go to tools, and you see all the important description about the features of Android Studio. And the question comes in the mind, like, why should we use Android Studio? Because there are also some kind of tools like integrated development environment, that is IDE, that is called Eclipse. Before I was using Eclipse, but why should we download Android Studio? Because of some such kind of features, like it is a intelligent code editor. That means you guys can be more productive, okay, while you develop like Android applications. Whereas the GitHub is also integrated. That means you can share the code among your other persons or other users. Alright, so you guys can also commit while you are developing a Views project, so it is really necessary or essential tool for that. Whereas you guys can also have the multi-screen app development platform. That means you can preview it very easily. Alright, so which will just improve your productivity while designing the and developing the application. And there are other features like virtual devices for all shapes and size, so it's really helps in mass production. So, and overall there are Android builds evolved with Gradle. Okay, so what is it? Is like it create multiple APKs for your Android apps. So all the APKs for Android app with different features using the same project. So using the same project, you can test your application with multiple APKs and various features. So manage app dependencies with Maven. Okay, so you guys will be knowing much in detail later on. So okay, now let's jump it directly to downloading the download options. So you guys have two options: either you can download the software development kit only, or you can also download the whole package, okay, whole Android Studio package. So I recommend you guys to install the Android Studio package, and that I'm going to do it right now. So you guys, if you are using Linux, just download this zip folder, I mean zip file. And okay, I have already downloaded in my this yes, Android Studio. So this is my zip file that I have already downloaded, and you guys have to just extract it here. Okay, after extraction, what you guys have to do is you have to open your terminal window. So in the terminal window, what you guys have to do is go to the same location, that is like, okay, let me list all my folders. Okay, and yeah, I have to change my directory to Android Studio. Yes, okay. So I have to also change my directory now to Android Studio, basically. Now list, yes. So now change the directory to the bin folder. Then if you, yeah, in the bin folder you have a script, shell script, that is a studio.sh. so you have to just run the shell script to run the Android Studio. Alright, yes, I'm running a shell script right now, so let's wait for a while. Yes, it's beginning. So Android Studio will start. And the important information for you guys is when Android Studio starts, before or previously, it will not directly show you the welcome screen. Okay, it will ask you to download the APKs. Okay, so actually I have already downloaded all my APKs, so you have to just wait to download all the APKs. Okay, like most, it will download the most recent APKs, that is 5 version 5. So right now it's already like I'm already in the welcome screen. So what you have to do is you have to start the new Android Studio project, and you write your application. That is my application. This is the first application you are making, and it will be all stored in your home directory, in the subdirectory Niranjan K. Okay, and then the subdirectory, that is Android Studio projects, and this is my application. So you just click next, and you are trying to create a phone app, right? Not TV app or a Wear app or a Glass app, because the Glass app is not installed. So you guys have three options, that is either you can create a phone app or tablet app or TV and or Wear app. So we are creating a phone app here. Now just click next, and blank activity, select the blank activity, just click next. Yeah, this will create a new blank activity for your um, application. Now you finish it, so it takes time to just load. Alright, you can also guys can check that there are some other more features, that is import project from Eclipse, Edit, Gradle, etc. Okay, now to load. Yes, these are some of the features.